Hello everyone, I'm Razel from SK Kalo YBA 2422. My reading is my hobby. I love to read books during my leisure time, especially about fables and folklore. It opens my mind about other cultures around the world. One of my favorite books is Selected Fables from Europe, written by Susie Leong and published by Arowana SDN PhD in May 2002. This compilation not only showcases the rich cultural heritage of Europe but also highlights the timeless nature of these stories which continue to resonate with readers of all ages. It has it has also 40 short stories and 119 pages. The price is only 3 ringgit. One of the most striking aspects of Selected Fables from Europe is its ability to convey profound moral lessons through simple and engaging narratives. For example, the classic tale of the tortoise and the hare teaches the value of perseverance and humility, while the fox and the grapes explore the concept of cognitive dissonance and the human tendency to rationalize his failure. The language used in the anthology is both accessible and elegant, making it suitable for readers of all ages. The stories are written in a clear and concise manner with a touch of poetic elegance that enhances their timeless appeal. The use of vivid imagery and clear wordplay adds an extra layer of enjoyment, allowing readers to fully immerse themselves in the enchanting world of fables. In addition to the captivating narrative, Selected Fables from Europe include insightful commentary and analysis of each fable. The annotations provided provide valuable context and background information, helping readers to better understand the cultural and historical significance of the stories. The commentary also highlights the enduring relevance of the fables, drawing connections between the ancient tales and contemporary life. This layer added this layer this added layer of analysis enriches the reading experience, offering readers a deeper appreciation of the wisdom embedded in these timeless stories. One of the strengths of Selected Fables from Europe is its ability to evoke a sense of nostalgia while also offering fresh perspectives. The fables is presented in a way that honors their traditional roots, yet they are also interpreted through a modern lens, making them relevant to today's readers. This balance between tradition and modernity is one of the key reasons why the anthology is so compelling. The illustrations in Selected Fables from Europe are another highlight of the anthology. The book is adorned with beautiful hand-drawn illustrations that bring the stories to life. The artwork is both whimsical and evocative, if capturing the essence of each fable and enhancing the overall reading experience. The illustrations serve as a visual complement to the narratives, adding depth and richness to the anthology. Overall, Selected Fables from Europe is beautifully curated collection that celebrates the rich heritage of European folklore. It is a testament to the enduring power of storytelling and the timeless wisdom that fables can impart. Whether you are a long-time fan of fables or a newcomer to the genre, this anthology is sure to captivate and inspire you. In this conclusion, selected fables from Europe is a must-read for anyone who appreciates the art of storytelling and timeless lesson that fables can teach. It is a delightful and thought-provoking collection that will leave a lasting impression on readers of all ages.